Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute broccoli wearing glasses. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing the top part. It looks like a big, fluffy cloud. Wow, look at that giant cloud shape. Isn't it super cool? Next, let's draw the stem underneath. Here we go, adding a strong stem right at the bottom. Now, draw some flowerets behind it. Then, draw 2 big circles for glasses. Here come the cool frames. Let's make them nice and big. And draw 2 small circles inside for the eyes. Finally, draw a cheerful smiley face. All done with our broccoli sketch. Wait, does it look a bit like a tree? Okay, time to add some color. First, use pink to color both cheeks. Let's make them super soft and rosy gently now. Next, use green to color the entire front floweret. Fill it all in. Keep that green inside the lines if you can. And use dark green for the back flowerets to make it look 3D. Ooh, a little deeper green here. Look how it pops. Now, use light green or yellow for the stem. Bright and light for the stalk. Perfect! Let's add some detail to the top with texture to make it look real. Little dots or lines, easy does it, just to make it special. Yeah! Our broccoli with glasses is done! Wow, look at that! It looks adorable and delicious, right? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time!